Activating notifications on Cash App is essential for staying updated on your transactions and account activity. Follow these simple steps to enable notifications quickly. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access Profile Settings. Tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the home screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Notifications. Scroll down to find the Notifications section within the Settings menu. This is where you can manage your notification preferences. Step 4. Enable Notifications. Toggle on the notifications you wish to receive, such as transaction alerts, promotions, and security notifications. Make sure to select the options that best suit your needs. Step 5. Confirm Settings. After adjusting your notification preferences, exit the settings. You should now receive notifications based on your selections. By following these steps, you can easily activate notifications on Cash App and stay informed about your financial activities.